Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my southern fried fish sandwich, so stick around. Okay, so first I'm going to be using this fish fry by Louisiana. It's the New Orleans style fish fry, seafood breading mix. So this is what I'm going to be using to fry my fish with. It already comes pre-seasoned, but I already told you before, I'm a little extra, so I have to put a little extra in mine. But if you don't want to use seasoning, you don't have to because it's already pre-seasoned. I'm going to put the whole packet into my container, into my glass container. And of course, I'm going to add some accent. And I'm going to add some black pepper. And also some salt. Trust me, it don't need it, but I like mine a little seasoned, just a little bit more. So we're gonna stir that. Oh, and by the way, I got my fish from Aldi's today, frozen, so it's frozen fish, it's not fresh fish. I just wanted to show you how to make some fried fish, basically, but this is like a quick and easy recipe where you don't need a lot of stuff. You need the seasoning, the fish fry seasoned breaded seafood breading mix. Sorry about that. And then you also going to be using whatever fish you want. Today I bought the 2-pound family pack of the tilapia, the Aldi's brand. So it's pretty good. I use it a lot. Well, I buy it a lot actually. So what I'm going to be doing is coating the fish with this breading. Let me get some gloves. And I'm going to be deep frying it. And then I'm going to show you how I put the sandwich together. So basically, I like my fish. Actually, let me show you what I have. I have a plate of fish. I'm going to be frying all of it. Frying all of it because it goes quick. I don't know about your household, but you got to cook extra just so that you can have just one meal with it, because once it come out of the deep fryer, guess what? We tasting a piece. Everybody tasting a piece. You might even get 2 pieces. Just a sample piece. Be the sample piece. Then you eat. But you'll eat a little bit later though. So basically, I just flour it like this or batter it like this. I'm going to shake all of the extra breading off of it and put it in a deep fryer. So I'm going to get you set up over here by the stove, and I'm going to be showing you how I do the deep fry. So be right back. So I heated up the oil for the fish on medium. I used a whole container of vegetable oil. This is the 48 ounce. I have a little kind of small medium pot. I put that in there. I heated the oil up on a medium heat. And I did already batter this up a little bit earlier. But let me go ahead and do this. We are going to, that's one. And I like to make sure my fish is moist. Just a little bit, not soaking wet, but a little moist so that the batter can stick on there a little better. And I generally only cook, it doesn't even matter what pot I use, or even if I use my deep fryer, I only put 2 to 3 pieces of fish in my oil, because you don't want to crowd your oil, or then it'll start boiling and it won't even be fried fish. So we're going to let that cook. We're going to let that cook until it gets golden brown. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to finish fixing the rest of the fish, and once it's all done, I'll come back and I'll show you the fried fish, and we're going to go ahead and make the sandwich that I was telling you about. It's a funny story, but yeah, I'm going to make that sandwich and show you, how I put it together. All right, I'm taking my first 2 out. This is one, and this is the second one. Yeah, so I'm trying to do the video, and my dog, she keeps barking. She don't like, when I say nobody, she don't like nobody. She do not like anybody, even the children. It's a shame. So I had to stop the video, but I put in another 2 pieces of fish. I normally do about 3, but this pot is a little small, so I did 2. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish all the rest of them. You get the picture of how I fry it. It's easy. I just wanted to show you how to do like a quick and easy meal, snack, whatever, to make a fried fish sandwich. So if you want, I am going to be serving it with some french fries, but I'm not going to be making it on this home style french fries, and I'm not going to be making it on this video, but I wanted you to see how I prepare it and put it all together for the southern fried fish sandwich. Okay, I'm back. So here's what I got so far. I'm almost done. I think I have the 2 that's in a pot right now, and then I have 1 more piece to cook. But I want to go ahead and make the sandwich for you to show you exactly what I mean. I wanted to tell you about when I was younger, my mom, she called me and my brother in to eat dinner, and what happened was we were kind of confused because we seen 2 brown paper bags. And the brown paper bags were sitting at our placemats at the table. And what happened, we said, Mom, what's this? And she said, oh, because we knew she was in the kitchen cooking. So, like, why is it in a bag? And she said, oh, it's like out to eat. We got out to eat food today. So what she would do is she would recreate meals that we would normally get at, like, the corner sub shop or somewhere, some restaurant we might have went to, but mainly at carry-out places. She would recreate them, and then she would make them for me and my brother. So we opened the bag, and we had aluminum foil. We had a hot dog, and it had like all the fixings and chili and cheese and all of that stuff on there. She had it wrapped up in aluminum foil, and just like how you would get it at the carryout. Also, she had our French fries that she did homemade with real potatoes. She cut them up and fried them. She had the salt, pepper, and the ketchup on it. She also had that wrapped up in aluminum foil. So I always thought that was pretty cool, and every time she would surprise us, you know, with dinner and it was in a brown paper bag, we were always like, oh, you know, what she got in there. So anyway, I kind of like was just thinking about it today, like, man, that's probably the reason why I try to recreate everything that I get when I go out to eat, whether it's in a restaurant or a carry-out place or anywhere I go to get something to eat. I always feel like I can make it better. And sometimes I do. Most of the time I do. But here's what we're working with. I have the aluminum foil. I have my 2 pieces of bread. Okay. What I'm going to do is, the key to this sandwich is you got to have hot fish with the oil and everything. Not too much oil, but I'm going to take it out of the pan and I'm going to put it on the bread. Give me a second. Okay, so I got the fish out and it is hot. Here's the fish. Like I said, it's fried tilapia. I made it with, I threw it away. But anyway, I made it with some breading, New Orleans style seafood breading. So I used that. It's 2 pieces of fish. Normally, if you go to like a corner fish shop in the city where I'm from, Baltimore, you would get a couple pieces. You can order like 2, 3, 4 pieces of fish, and they call it fish sandwich. But really, it's just a whole bunch of fish on 2 pieces of bread. But the key to this is, or what I like the most is, because I took it out of the deep fryer or the fryer and I put it on this bread, you can't see it, but it's a little bit of oil. So the oil generally toasts the bread and it makes it delicious. I have some salt that I'm going to put, just a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. Let me see if you can get it. Black pepper. Because once you get your fish sandwich from the place, you go to the side, on the side table, and what you'll do is you'll put all your fixings on there. This is not hot sauce, it's sriracha, but it's made by Tabasco. I'm going to put a little bit just for the sake of this video, because I normally don't eat, this is what I got. I normally don't eat hot sauce on my fish. I like it just plain with salt and pepper. But here we go. All right. And go ahead and throw that on there like that. I'm going to put you down here. And basically, I got other stuff over there that I'm going to be cooking. So anyway, Anyway, what they do is once they come out of the deep fryer, they throw it on your fresh bread. They throw it on the fresh bread. They put it in aluminum foil. They wrap it like that. And of course, you'll have 3 or 4 fish. This is only two pieces, but normally you'll get like 3 minimum or 4 pieces of fish on your fish sandwich. You'll get it, and it'll be this big piece of aluminum foil wrapped up. Anyway, this is it, and this is my sandwich. So the key to it is to let it sit, but I'm not gonna let it sit because you normally let it sit, because normally when you get your stuff out to eat, you would buy it, you order it, you buy it, and then you would take it home. So by the time you get home, it's all like it's mushy, and the seasonings and everything you put on it has already been settled in. The bread is toasted basically from the grease. The bread would normally be toasted from the grease. And this is Southern fried fish sandwich, okay? Before I take a bite, let me say this. If you want to be fancy and you like cheese, you can put cheese on it. Because I know people that eat cheese on their fish sandwich just like this too. This kind of fish. They put cheese on it. You might want to put lettuce and tomato on there. Some people might want mayonnaise. I don't know. But this is how I would eat mine, just like this. And, whew, hot. Oh, this is really, really good. You see that? I love tilapia. I like flounder better, but tilapia would do. This is really, really good. So, like I said, this is my Southern fried fish sandwich. So, try it out, okay? I want to thank you. Sorry, I want to thank you for watching another video of mine, or if this is your first time watching this video or watching a video of mine, I really, really appreciate it. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button so that you can see more of my videos when I do post them. And if you want, you can hit the notification. That way, when I do post it, you'll be the first to find out. But once again, I'm always in the kitchen. I'm always cooking. And I would love for you to come and join me on some of my little videos, and maybe I'll do some lives and talk to everybody, and you know, just see where everybody's from and what's going on in your parts of the town. All right, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.